Today we're in Shenzhen. I'm at the Future shopping mall here. This shopping mall is very special. Everything in there is very futuristic. I discovered that there's an amusement park called teamLab Future Park. Inside the amusement park, they have different themes, so you could co-create the environment with others. And the environment consists of art and different lightnings. Let's explore it together. Let's go and check it out today. To get there, you could take the Shenzhen Metro, line number 9, Great Line, to station Sasha, get out from exit B, and walk along the tunnel. Then you could see the entrance of the Future City. teamLab is at the 3rd floor of the shopping mall. Just got my ticket here and it costs 108 RMB. This place is very dark. You could see those special light effects here. So basically, on the wall they are projecting all those Asian characters. So when you touch it, it will convert to the actual meaning of it. Let me show you how. So that's represented the character. How about this one? That's the goat. Look at that. That looks like a bird. Let's try it. No, it's not. It's actually a horse there. That's a hill. Wow, amazing. Another hill. I'm at the second room here. It's very dark still, but you can see on the table. This room consists of a tank, a light. They've got 3 things here. The first one is the river, which is linked with those mountains. You could move the mountain around. Oh, I just cut the river here. And this one is the highway. It's linked by the red houses. So you could actually move the highway. And the green houses is the railway. And currently it's not working. So let me create my town for you. I'm at this 3rd room here. You're supposed to create your own masterpiece by drawing a picture, and they will scan the picture and then project it to the screen. Let me draw something for you, something really nice. There are many types of templates you choose from. I just find one I really like. It's the UFO one. This is for all my fans. I want to thank you for all your support. And this is me in a spaceship. hkmytravel.com will improve and will go higher from here. 这个是我。这个是我的旅游网站。
确实很像啊。这里你可以在这里等一会儿，然后你的这个UFO就出来了。
Let's wait for the UFO. That's the UFO. Very nice. Thank you to you all. So after you project your UFO to the screen, you could even create a actual 3D one, the paper UFO. In a limited of time, my masterpiece is created, the UFO of hkmytravel.com. So what do you think? Leave it at the comment section below. I mean, this room is really strange, but it's the most beautiful room here. The land is up and down here. I'm like walking on a hill here. Unbelievable experience here. It feels like you are in some kind of Wonderland. Look at that. So again, this is a place where you could draw something and then they will project it onto the floor. Those on the wall are actually created by those visitors. Look how beautiful it is. So this time I prefer to draw a frog. The frog is supposed to jump higher. It's a good meaning for the Chinese New Year. This is my masterpiece, hkmytravel.com frog. Here it says hkmytravel.com. Travel is fun, so always travel and visit our website. Also, Happy New Year, because Chinese New Year is coming. To all my friends, Happy Chinese New Year to you all. It's a naughty frog. I need to keep chasing it. I regret that I choose a frog because it runs too fast. Next time if you come here, if you want to take good photo of your animal, choose an animal, not running too fast one. Take care, frog. May your life be good here. What you say? We've entered another room with a slides behind me. I think it's a musical slider. where you slide, you could create some songs and music. So let me try out. They have a rule here, you have to take off your shoes. Wow, that was fun. I feel like I'm a kid now. That's it for today. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, hkmytravel, or visit our website, hkmytravel.com. Thank you and see you next time.